Blood Web, Blood Curse Series Book 10, written by Tessa Dawn, narrated by Eric G. Dove. Santos Olaru enlarged the screen in the upper left quadrant of a series of monitors, zeroing in on Natalia's bank statement, specifically the paragraph at the top. Pine Ridge Credit Union, Giovanni, Inc., Natalia Giovanni, 231 Upper Mill Creek Road, Morrison, Colorado. He had it. Her address. He leaned forward in the soft, comfortable recliner and fixed both crystal blue peepers on the center screen, once again worrying his full bottom lip with his upper teeth. "Come on, sweetheart," he drawled beneath his breath. "Answer the question, Natalia girl. Can we meet?" Thanks to his heightened vampiric senses, what might have been a low, audible hum buzzing from the base of his PC unit was rapidly approaching a steady, high-pitched drone. His heartbeat quickened, his mind on high alert, as he began to tap his fingers on the edge of his desk, rolling them in quick succession like a highly skilled drum major. "Speak to me, baby," he murmured beneath his breath. Time stood still, and then the iChat box began to glow with a pulsing incandescent light, which informed Santos that Natalia was typing. "Not possible," she shot back. "Why not?" he asked. No answer. Returning to the upper left screen, he maneuvered the mouse, entered some code, and slipped effortlessly into the Department of Motor Vehicles mainframe, where he entered Natalia's full name and address. While he waited for a photo ID or a driver's license to pop up, he dictated another line in the center screen's chat box. "You've been following me for years." He was no longer playing games. "I know you're intrigued, baby girl. And so am I. Why not meet?" He might have been flirting too hard, but he didn't think so. Something about this woman struck him as unusually lonely, perhaps even isolated, an island unto herself. If hesitation, nervousness, and fear could have shown up on a screen, then Santos's monitor would have been pulsing to the rhythm of a frantic heartbeat. Natalia's discomfort was just that palpable, her chaotic energy mixing with the signals in the Wi-Fi. Just what was her game, he wondered. So she knew she'd been caught. Cyberstalking, that is. But so what? Santos played his own fair share of virtual hide-and-seek. If anything, she should have been proud, perhaps even arrogant, about how deftly she had matched his cyber prowess. "Natalia?" He shot back her name, followed by a string of question marks. She didn't respond. "Speak to me, Angel," he tried again. "We're hardly strangers, right?" Her driver's license popped up in the upper left quadrant, and Santos had to catch his breath. Whoa. Typically, state IDs resembled hideous, nondescript mugshots, but there was nothing typical or nondescript about Natalia Antoinette Giovanni. He studied her photo in earnest. Long, luxurious hair, falling all the way to her waist, perfectly sculpted brows framing dark, mesmerizing eyes, a nose that could have been painted by Michelangelo. Such was the structural perfection. And lips. Holy hell, that bottom lip. Santos could almost taste it. He turned his attention to a light green bar expanding slowly, horizontally across the top left screen. 80%. He was almost there. He was this close to being logged into Natalia's computer, this close to accessing her files, this close to downloading her calendar, and this close to viewing her photo library. "Come on, cyber magic. You're working with a powerful CPU. Just a little bit more." A pale glint of moonlight streamed through the floor-to-ceiling windows towering above the crystal lake, as if interacting with a prism. The moonbeams cast a subtle red halo against the living room wall, causing the hairs on Santos's arms to prickle and a corner of his heart to soften. Like all the sentinels in the House of Jaden, Santos Olaru was merciless when it came to protecting the vampire's interest or hacking a human's computer, especially the daughter of Luca Giovanni's. Natalia was no exception. However, something told him he might want to approach this with a softer touch. No sooner had the thought crossed his mind than Natalia's reply popped up. Santos. She typed each letter in caps on a single line. Was she angry?